back, everybody. I am excited today. We're going to be putting in that new battery in my Ultra Classic. This is very simple. First thing that needs to be done is obviously your seat has to come off. There's one screw on the back for the seat. You're going to unscrew that screw in the back section and the whole thing comes up. A long screwdriver usually is helpful in this situation. Battery sits right here on the Ultra Classic. On most bikes, the battery sits right underneath the seat. We're going to go ahead and take off the negative cable first, which is the black cable. It's usually on these bikes you'll see a negative sign. The positive sign is usually covered in red, or it's a red cable. So negative first, that way we don't spark in the battery or whatnot. All right, this one happens to be a 10mm, in case you're wondering what size you need. So you just work that out. It is a tight space, so kind of difficult to get in there, really. All right, so your battery is disconnected. Take that screw, put it aside. Make sure the negative terminal is out of the way. It ain't hitting anything. All right, so now we'll take the positive out. Same thing, 10mm wrench. Now, on some bikes, you got extra wires usually, because people will add things to the bike or whatnot. So just try to remember those wires if you have any extra wires, other than the cable. So here we got 2 extra wires. So we just got to make sure we plug that back in when we put the new battery on. And last but not least, we got to take off the mount of the battery holding bracket. Now it's just a matter of pulling this battery right out of there. It can be tricky, hard to get to and whatnot. Oh yeah, there we go. Woo. So you take your new battery, goes right into the tray where the other one was, and it should fit exactly the way that one did. Boom. Nice. What's nice about this battery, there's no nuts in here. It's all pretty much, it's got threads all in there, so you don't have to worry about messing with nuts. All right, now we got to get all these wires back in the way we had them. Now you just put the positive back on. Snug it up. Don't over tighten these, you can't strip them. I want to go like Hercules on this shit. What I like to do, because this cover is really old, you know, being a 2004 bike, I put a zip tie on this cover just to hold it in place here and over that. Just in case. You don't have to, but I don't know. I kind of like to, I like to know that the cover stays on that, on there, I should say. I'm going to put the negative cable back on. You want to make sure you clean your terminals if they're not clean, or if they need to be clean. You should take a wire brush and just wire brush the terminal, just to clean it up if you need to clean it up. Make sure you get a good connection. And just snug it. Again, don't over tighten these, you don't want to strip out the terminal. You're going to put the bracket back on the battery. And put the screw in there. Alright. Tighten it down. Make sure the battery's good. It's locked in place, ain't gonna go anywhere. And last but not least, start it up, see if she'll crank over.